Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from DIY Digital Art. So they were kind enough to let me pick some items and I'm going to start with this small one. So I've seen these crop up in a few places. I haven't yet tried them. In fact, I haven't yet opened them. But they are a very, very reasonable price. In fact, they're a very, very good price for a metal tip diamond painting placer. So this is like a full set. It has all sorts of ones. So we have one that's potentially made up for a square tip and a round tip. Let me see if I can get the camera to show you the difference. Trying to give it my hand to focus on. But one's got more of a square tip, one's got more of a round tip. You can, of course, still place round diamonds with round tips. These do come in silver, gold and rose gold. And they do have little rubber washer type things, not brush, they're called O-rings, on the edge of the tips to help. And then they do have the number on the placers. So that is a 10 placer. You get an angled tip. You get a cup, that's a straightener. So we've got a 9, a 10. We've got an 8. Do we have a 7? Don't think so. So you get, let's have a look. Oh, you get a 2. You get a 2 placer. So you get a 2, 3, 2 number 4s, a 5, a 6, an 8, a 9 and a 10. You get a very long straightener which looks to be about a 12. Might even be a 14. You get a square tip and a round tip in this set, and you get an angled placer as well. So I've not tried them. I do need to give especially the single placers and potentially the square placer a try. I like the idea of potentially trying the 2 placer. Maybe building myself up to see if I like multi-placing and I'm willing to, if I can give it a go. But they do all come in a set. So if you want to get yourself a set to give it a go, I will pop the link for them down below. They do sell them singly as well. So if you're somebody that's already maybe tried multi-placers and know they're not for you but would like the single tips, there is that option. But I'll pop the link to this one down below and then you'll always know what to search for to find the others. And then I've got a couple of diamond paintings as well. So this is one, let me get this the right way. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. It's like it's been drawn with pencil, but it's not. It's getting placed with diamonds. It is a round. It's a 30 by 50 or a 50 by 30. It is 24 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. Look at that. Okay, the actual canvas size is just short of 44 by 24. Let me get it to lie flat. And it is a very passionate playing of the piano, but it is not just the piano, it's got flowers and stuff. There's a lot of shading in this piano to help bring out the colours. It does come with a toolkit. And diamonds wise, you are going to have some white because of the background. So there is 3 packs of white. But then there is, of course, bringing in different shading, pops of colour as well for the likes of the flowers. Let me just throw those back in the bag before try and do them in a section. I need to find another end. Here we go. We've got pinks and greys, some browns. So there's still quite a scattering of quite a few other colours. We have got some grey as well. Oh, gorgeous pinks and greens. And some gorgeous blues as well. So there's like, the colours are brought in with like a bluey grey and a more grey grey. Does that make sense? A bluey grey and a grey grey do help to bring in, you know, the likes of the depth and the shading on the piano. And you have got, of course, pops of colour on a dress, on the piano, and what looks like the heat, like a heat type signature in the background that's actually being played from the piano being played. And then there is some blocks of colour in the background, but then it does go down into shading, and you find that there is shading round here before you then go into a little bit more of a block of it. So it's not too much of blocks of the same colour. And then last but by no means least, oh, here's me forgetting what this was. This is an off the canvas item. This, I've seen so many like things coming out this year that are just different and fun. And this one is a seat cover. So you put this over the back of the chair and it goes up to about here. And then you've got a little bubble at the top. And you can pop an owl and a Christmas tree to wish somebody a Merry Christmas and brighten up your chairs at Christmas. You do get a toolkit. So many fun off the canvas items. Especially for Christmas, like there's just more and more, but Christmas even more so. So we have some silver, some pinks, sort of coppery brown, red, purple, green, blue, and a couple of different sizes of yellow. So the baubles on the tree and the ding dong of the bell do take the bigger size yellow. And there's loads of different varieties of these as well. There's ones in more traditional Christmas colours, as well as the funky bright pink, which, yeah, I couldn't resist. I thought it was fun and it was quirky, and it has a little bobble. It is white on the back, and it has got, I wouldn't say it's like major soft, but it's very soft type background. And then it is more of a wipeable cover on the front. So yeah, quite a few different items for this unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed at least one of them, if not all of them. I like all of them. I will pop links to them all down below. Thank you to DIY Digital Art for sending me these to share with you all. And I'll speak to you all again soon.